I'm so pumped to show you our new wood stove. Oh, the flames are coming out a little bit.
This ain't no good.
So easy.
We gotta.
There.
There it is.
We're Jalen and Daniella, and in May of 2022, we decided to sell our things, buy a school bus, and build it out to be the traveling home of our dreams. This week, we're taking you back in time to the build stage, not only giving you a glimpse into what building out a bus looks like, but also reminding ourselves of the hard work we've put in to get here. Let's jump right in.
Plans have changed.
So you guys,
All
yeah, plans have changed.
No more baby fires, alright? We'll be the first to put a full-sized fireplace in our bus. We have to be incredibly careful. 2-3 logs tops at a time.
4.
That's a lot. It should completely take out the hassle of getting up every hour on the hour, if not sooner, based on the wood density. Having little tiny pieces that have to be cut exactly to size. We're going to be able to throw whole logs in there. Call it a day.
So the backstory is that we have this awesome potbelly stove that's an antique from the 1940s. I mean, it is absolutely freaking adorable. And it heats this place up great during the day, but the wood burns out every hour. And so at night, we have to take turns getting up to feed it.
Or just not feeding it at all.
And freezing.
Mm-hmm.
Well, we're comfy under the covers, but our cats are freezing. So Jalen's grandpa was sick of watching us put, quote, what'd he say? Little wood turds in the stove. So you guys know this is the size of a wood turd. Exact measurements. And decided that he was gonna custom build us a new wood stove. This is his first time ever doing anything like it.
I got a call from him while I was at work, and I didn't answer, and he doesn't text often.
So he knew it was important.
But he sent this message saying, building you a custom stove.
That's it.
And so I had to call back. So he literally pulled up, and I was just kidding. And I was like, there's our fireplace or whatever. And it was like this huge air compressor, like 100 gallon or whatever.
This huge
air
red
compressor.
tank.
And I was just kind of joking. But that was
it.
We literally sawed it in half and cleaned all the rust out of it. Put this thick steel as like a base plate for the top. Steel.
Yeah.
The legs on it, because it was an air compressor, already have little holes in the legs so that you can drill them in.
Bolted right into the ground.
Which is perfect because I was already... I mean, we had no idea how we were gonna...
We were a little nervous about this one.
Yeah.
With its legs.
Just like flying around, giant egg floating around.
They don't have any holes. Point of this video, well, this segment of the video is to commemorate our last fire in this potbelly stove that's kept us warm for like a month now.
Mm-hmm.
It's a wonderful stove. We hope it finds a happy home.
That doesn't need to be super warm for hours at night.
Yeah, a daytime home.
An aesthetic nook fireplace.
Good morning. Happy Thanksgiving.
Happy Thanksgiving.
Happy Thanksgiving. I'm eating chocolate for breakfast.
We're getting this thing out of here.
We're getting this thing out of here. It's coming out. Now it sits with the rest of our stuff from the build. We have got the ceiling panels over here that we took off, some of the side walls. There's our stove. No longer. Our water equipment's still out here, our kitchen sink, etc., etc., etc. Now it's just a big empty space with an electric space heater. in its place. little girl. What are you doing, huh? Okay, bye. So, what happened up there?
We used a bad can of silicone. It was kind of runny when we first started. We should have knew better. And we just put it on anyway and called it a day. And we got some rain in the roof a few days ago. And so now I'm going back and literally just going through the entire thing again, just for extra measures.
The silicone never dried.
Silicone never dry.
Still wet. This is our new wood stove.
Just trying to burn the paint off. And I gotta put a floor in the bottom of it.
Yeah, I saw your plan. Hey, sassy girl. Mr. Sassy girl. Sassy. Sassy girl. Hey, baby girl. Hi, Sheesh. Look at that. Look at that baby. Look at that baby. It's so good. I just sanded it with 150 grit paper, and now I'm going to wash it down, spray it up with heat-resistant paint, and it's ready to go in the bus.
Put a little thin coat on it and then go over it.
I look like a Dalmatian. So you guys, the time has come. The stove is going in. Here's a better look at our Christmas tree. 2023. Well, 2022.
Nothing to it, huh? Yeah, it might work better for you, buddy. Okay. Oh.
Shit.
Smoke kind of like sucking back in.
We're just gonna see what it's like here.
Flames are coming out a little bit.
I guess it's the paint.
So.
Huh? No?
No, it's
Don't turn the fan on. What's going on?
I don't know, I'm a little nervous.
No, this ain't gonna go.
It's foggy in here.
Oh my god. Holy
Oh, this paint is smoking too.
Yeah.
This ain't no good.
So easy.
We gotta. There it is.
This is our new fire. One thing that I've learned along this path is that just because you do something doesn't mean it's the last time that you'll have to do it. In this case, we had to redo the entire box that it sits on. This one has a huge flat top. We should be able to do a whole lot of cooking and making tea and whatever, just like directly on it. Definitely plan to do a lot of cooking on this guy. Just kind of concluding this. We now have this behemoth of a stove, and I think we're ready to bear an actual winter in this school bus.
Kittens, come say goodbye. Smokey, he said bye-bye. Bye-bye. Dolly, she said bye-bye. Bye-bye. Cheechmo? Oh, he's in the box.
Yeah.
I can't disturb this one.
Yeah.
This one is still in the box. Being cute as hell. You cute as hell? Oh, that was cute. Can you say goodbye? Say bye-bye to the potbelly stove? Yeah, say bye-bye.
Bye, Potbelly Wood Stove. It was cute while it lasted. Time for Big Daddy.